Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lake Wales, local and long-distance movers near me. We can transfer your belongings locally, within the state, or across state boundaries at 3 Movers. We have a great working relationship with the federal and local entities in charge of the relocation process. We have insurance arrangements in place because we care about our customers and their things. These plans cover liabilities before and after the relocation. On our relocation team, we have the most competent and trusted movers and drivers who will transport your belongings safely. You don't have to worry about us overcharging you because all of our services are cost-effective. Long-distance moves are significantly more expensive than local moves. Our charges for local moves are very reasonable, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. Our professional and licensed local movers will help make sure you are delighted with their services and consider our options and ideas. Our team of local movers is the best, and we're available around the clock to assist you with your moving preparations. All of our customers are satisfied with our service, as seen by our reviews. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake Wales moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.